Are you ready to explore Asanas For You in more detail? We will show how to create new exciting classes and further your knowledge of yoga. When you subscribe to Asanas For You, you will get instant access to all of our expertly designed tools needed to create your perfect classes. In the new lesson feature, you will create fresh and rewarding classes with just a few clicks. You will be able to decide the difficulty level of your class, determine how long you would like it to be, and choose whether you want to follow a theme that ties your class together or focus on a peak pose. Whether you choose to use themes or peak poses, you will have plenty of options to begin creating sequences. For each section of your class, you will have plenty of pre-designed vinyasa sequences to choose from. So within minutes, your new original class is complete and immediately ready to print to take with you to your class. Your class will also be automatically stored in the cloud for easy access anywhere in the world. As a subscriber, you will have access to our Asana library of most commonly used yoga poses, with instructions on alignment and cues that will help you to perfect your teaching. You will also have access to constantly evolving libraries of chakras, Shavasana texts, and mantras that will help you add the more spiritual elements to your classes. We even created a quick reference Sanskrit dictionary to remind you of the key yoga terms. As an added bonus, we have also developed a library of anti-stress exercises that you can use on and off the mat. You can use Asanas For You on laptops, desktops, and mobile devices, but we recommend performing the class creation part on devices with larger screens. As a premium subscriber, you will also be able to use the Asanas For You app that will give you access to your saved classes even when you're not connected to the internet. Now let's do a little bit of dreaming. What will you do with all that extra time you will get back by using Asanas For You? So stop wasting time and start creating. Join us at asanasforyou.com. We really are here for you.